Good morning friends. Last video I gave sets and different types of sets. Now in this video we will start Venn diagram. Venn diagram, by knowing this figure we can easily understand what is the Venn diagram, how to represent Venn diagram. By given this figure they are given union, and this is universal set. This is an B set, this is a A set, this is the B. Okay, this is the B, this is not. Okay, in this way here this is the universal, this is the B, this is the A set contain here A set containing 4 and 6. This is the A set 4 and 6. This is the B set containing 2 4 6 8 elements. Here 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there, and 10 also there. Next, whole union containing 1 2 3 up to 10 elements, means 1 2 3 4 is there, 6 is there, all are there, 5 is there, 7 is there, all are present. This is a representation of Venn diagram. Properties of operation of union. Union operation is A union B is equals to B union. This is the commutative law. A union B of union C is equals to A union B. This is an associative law. This is the existence of identity. Identity element is 5. This is an idempotent element, idempotent set. A intersection A union A is also A, means same. You take same set union, we get a same set. So here this is an universal set. Union A is equals to, again we get universal set. Which one is a big set? We get that set only. Both should be union should containing A element, no. So that's why we get union is a bigger one. We can easily, union is an containing the bigger set. This is easily we can keep in our mind. Properties of intersection. This is an intersection property. This is a law of commutative law. This is associative law. This is existence of identity. Identity element is this is an inverse property. Here 5 intersection A is equals to 5 means this is an 5 is an this 5 is an identity element. This is a property of inverse. A inverse property A into E is equals to, again we get A only. This is the property of inverse. This union universal set intersection A is we get A set. Next property, A intersection A is equals to A. We take same sets intersection, we get same set. This is an A intersection of B union C is equals to A intersection B and union of A intersection C. So this A, this is the intersection is distributive over union. Next is how to represent this union of two sets and intersection of two sets. By this Venn diagram we can easily know. A set union B set means we taken both sets. Whatever element present in these both sets, we can take this all elements should be present in this A and B set. Next, A intersection B means we taken these part elements only. This is how to represent union and intersections of sets in Venn diagram. Next, difference of sets. Differences means A is equals to 6 elements, B is equals to 4 elements, 2 4 6 8. How to find A minus B and B minus A? Here already A A they are given 2 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B is 2 4 6 8. We have to take minus, means we have to discard whatever the similar elements in both sets. 2 is there, 2 discard. 4 is not there in B set. 4 is present but 3 is not present. 4 discard and 6 discard. Remaining element of A set we can write 1 is remaining, 3 is remaining, 6 is remaining. This is the A minus B. This is the answer of A minus B. Next is B minus A. B means first we have to take B. B is 2 4 6 8 and A is 1 to 6, so up to 6, and 2 cancel, 4 cancel, 6 cancel, still remaining 8 is not present in this set. That's why in this 8 is present, we take an 8 only. We have to not considering elements of A. This is a Venn diagram representation of A minus B. We taken this A minus B means we are taken this part only. B minus A means we taken this part only. We have to remove this part. We are not considering this part. We are not considering this part. Sorry, this part. We are not considering this part. We are considering only this part only. So that's why 1 3 5 A minus B elements. B minus A elements is only 8. Next, complement of set. Complement means this is the representation of set. Here union, this is A complement means other than A, we take an other than A elements, that whole thing is called A complement. Next is complement, properties of complement of set. In that property, first property A union, this thing, whole thing must be union. So A union A dash is equals to A. Next, we have taken intersection of these two sets. We get these two sets are distant, that's why we get null set. Null set is 5. Next, De Morgan's law. If take A union B, whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B whole complement, we get A complement union B complement. Law of double complement means A complement means this whole part, no, outer part. This complement means other than this part, means we are taking this part only, no. We can say easily A. By the above property, by this example, we can easily understood how to find out A complement, B complement and De Morgan's law. First, we have to find out A complement. First, they are given A union A and B set. First, we have to find out A complement means they are given A. So union minus A. Union means this is a union set 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 2 3 that are present in A set. Other than A set means 2 3 discard and remaining elements we have to write, that is called A complement. Similarly, we can find out B complement. This is the union set, this is the B set. Removing 3 and 4 5, still remaining 6 and 1 2, that is a B complement. Next we have to find out A union B. A union B means A means 2 3, A means 2 3, B is 3 4. In the we have to take union means some of these elements 2 3 4, 2 3 4 and 5. This is A union B set. Next A union complement of this means union set containing 1 to 6 element. 1 to 6 means 1 is not present, we can write 1 2 3 4 5 also present, 6 not present there this side, that's why 6 we have to write here. Next A complement intersection B complement. Already we know A complement 1 4 6 1 4 5 6 and B complement is 1 2 6. Their intersection means similar elements we have to take. Similar means 1 1 is similar, 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6 6 similar, 1 6 here also 1 6. We can left these two are equal means this right side these two are also equal. By these two we can easily write from 1 and this I taken equation 1 and this is the equation 2. By this equation 1 and 2 we can write A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. Thank you.